1966 Pontiac GTO Revell model kit. A lot of nice detail, engine compartment, nice and clean. Detail in the interior. Back end here as well. Paint job, nice and black. But what I've also done is added lights. Snap it in place, and I have some headlights and running lights all the way around. Interior lights lighting up, tail lights lighting up. I even have brake lights in addition. So, one more little addition. You want to see that interior a little better? Nice little interior light in the canopy. So, we'll do regular lights, turn the brights on, and run those all the way around. But I've also decided to turn the engine on. And with the engine running, I now have reverse lights, blinkers, front and back. And I'll turn the lights on, hit the blinkers, front and back as well. Even relay switch for the brakes. And the blinkers still work, left and right. Dash lights inside again. And I've added a couple sounds like taking off. Or there's a horn and even a song. So that's a 1966 Pontiac GTO.